Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make talking animation videos like this video and make money on YouTube? If you do, then I highly suggest you to watch this whole video till end. Because today, I'm gonna show you a cool trick to create talking animation videos using CapCut for free. Before starting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe channel for more videos. So, without any further delay, let's start. First, we need to create visuals like character, background, etc. For this purpose, we'll use Lexica Art. It is a paid tool, but you can search through already generated images and download any of these. So, to get character, type anime character in search box and hit enter. You can choose any of these, but try to choose one whose face and body are straight towards screen. It gives the look that character is looking towards the camera. I'll choose this one. Open it, and click on the download button to download. Now we need background studio image. For that, go to search box again and type YouTube Recording Studio Anime. You can choose any which you like. I'll choose this one. Now we have got our character and studio. Now we need to edit images. First, we'll edit the character image to remove the background and its mouth. For that, open photopea.com. It's like Photoshop, and also you can edit photos here for free. Now pick the image from your computer. To remove the mouth, use Spot Healing Brush tool. Adjust the brush size, and just use it over mouth like an eraser. Once it's done, select the character layer, and click on Select Menu, then click on the Remove BG. It might take some time to process. It has removed the background with great precision. Now our character is ready. So, to download the image, click on File menu and select Export As. Now, export the image in PNG format. I won't edit the background image because it's good, but you want edit that according to your needs, then you can edit that. Also, if you want to add mic or monitor in your video, then you also need to download those assets and remove their background same as this character's background. I already have mic and monitor, so, to save time, I'll use these. I'll provide you the link to download these assets. Now we need talking mouth animation. For that, open YouTube and type talking mouth animation with green screen in search box and hit enter. Now, click on filters and select Creative Commons and apply. All of these videos are copyright free. You can download any of these. I already have one, so I'll use that. For editing purpose, I'll use CapCut. It's free and also give great features to edit the videos like keyframing, effects, graphics, etc. So, open CapCut. Click on Create New Project button. Now, import all of the required assets. Now, add the background image to timeline. Go to Project Settings and set the screen ratio to 16:9. You can also set custom resolution using Custom option. Scale it up or down to fit the whole display screen. Once it's done, add the table. Also scale it up or down to fit perfectly inside the screen. Also set its position carefully to make it look good. Now open the Adjustment tab and adjust its brightness, shadow to adjust its color to match with background. Now add the character. Also scale it down to make it look like that it's sitting behind the table. Now open the Adjustment tab and adjust its brightness, shadow, saturation, etc. to adjust its colors. Now, add the talking mouth video. We need to remove the green screen from the background. For that, open the Remove BG tab. Then click on Chroma key, and pick the color to remove using Color Picker. I'll pick green color as I need to remove it. It's done. But increase the intensity till all of the green color is gone. Then, scale down the mouth. Place it over the character's mouth location. open the full screen to check if it's looking good or not. I think we need to adjust it a little bit. Now, it looks better, but you can adjust it furthermore to make it even better. We need to add few more things to make the video more professional. For that, I'll add microphone in front of our character. Scale it down, and place it next to the character. Now go to Adjustment tab and adjust its brightness, shadows, etc. Now add the monitor. Also scale it down. Place it on the side the character in a way that it does not block the character. Now go to Adjustment tab and adjust its brightness, shadows, etc. Now, we need to add some effects to the video, make it look better and more professional. For that, open the Effects tab. Click on the Spark Effects. Now grab this by the fireplace effect and drop it on the background image. Adjust its speed, stickers and fillers according to your need. It looks nice. We need to add blur to background to make our character more prominent. For that, open the Effect tab again, and then go inside the Lens category. Scroll down, and grab the blur effect, and drop it on the background image. Lower the intensity of the blur. Now it looks better and our character is more prominent. It seems, we need to reduce the brightness of our character. For that, select the character and go to Adjustment tab. Now lower its brightness. Also increase shadows and yellows to match colors with background. Now it looks better. And with that, our video is ready. Now you can export the video. To make longer video, you can use this video multiple times. With this video comes to an end. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe our channel for videos like this. And finally, thanks for watching.